Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a wig from Amazon. So I'm just showing you what it looks like coming out of the box. You get the wig, you get lashes of course, and you get a wig cap, which is really nice because you usually just send like that mesh thing. So I'm just opening up the wig here, taking it out of the packaging and showing you guys what it looks like. The curl on it is really pretty. But oh, by the way, this is a 12-inch curly bob. I'm gonna have the link to the wig down below, just in case you wanted to check it out. But it is a 12-inch little curly bob. So now I have washed the wig, and as you can see here, it's already plucked and it looks really good. Actually, it's not too dense in the front. They didn't cut any baby hairs, but it is like the hairline itself is plucked. But the part needed some work. It was very small. So here I am just plucking the part a little bit, making it a little bit wider, not too wide, okay? We're not gonna part it like the Red Sea, hun, but just enough to look natural because that was a really tight part. So now I'm just putting the wig on. I'm gonna be cutting the lace, making some baby hairs and all of that. This isn't like a full tutorial on how to put your wig on or anything, but I felt like I couldn't include a review without showing you everything that I did to it. I did not bleach this cap. I did not bleach the lace or anything, which I do kind of regret because it's noticeable. You can see the knots kind of, and the lace also isn't my skin color at all. It doesn't mesh at all, so it definitely needs to be tinted. So I kind of just wanted to quickly update you on the wig. It has been like a week later now, and I just wanted to give you like my thoughts on this little Amazon wig. So basically I really like the wig, but I stopped wearing it. Let me hide the dirty room there. I stopped wearing it like the wet, slick, wavy look because I just don't like that look on me. I think that the big, fluffy look is where it's at. And to achieve this, I literally leave my wig on the floor and kick it around a little bit. I sound like I'm kidding, but I'm dead serious. That's how my hair gets the fluffiest. Anyway, I really like this wig. It doesn't shed at all. Sorry for any noise that you hear, but it doesn't shed at all. I mean, it sheds, but like it's not a crazy amount of shedding. It's not bad at all. I like the hair. It does revert. The curl does revert back with yeah, the curl does revert back with water and stuff, no problem. I thought that was gonna be like a thing, like as soon as I combed it out or fluffed it out, the curl pattern would be gone, but it's actually like fantastic. The only problem I have with this wig is that this wig is really fucking big, y'all. Like, excuse me, it's a big wig, like, and I thought I had a big head, but no, the cap on this is huge, like, it's so, and like, it's just big. And you know how on the back, there's not only clips, but there's usually like something to like tighten it. You draw it closer to make the wig tighter. Yeah, for me that like isn't working. Yeah, it's not working. The wig is still really big. So I kind of like have to use my band, the Renouter band, and I have to glue it, and I have to put a clip in the back just to get it to stay, which is really annoying because, I mean, like, that's a lot of work for a wig to stay on. But besides that, the wig is really, really nice. There's just, the cap is really big. I just don't understand. And I thought I had a big head. I've never had this problem before. But the cap is really big. But yeah, besides that, the hair is nice. The curl pattern is nice. The lace isn't, you know, easy to blend or anything. As you can see it right now. I've definitely been spoiled by Beauty Forever hair. The lace on that is just so good. The color of the lace is so good for, you know, brown skins and darker skin tones. I didn't even have to bleach it on or tint it on my last wig with them, the other big curly wig that I have, or put any foundation in it. It just like melts into my skin so flawlessly, and I know that's a problem for like lighter skins, but I've definitely been spoiled by Beauty Forever that I don't have to do as much work to the lace to make it sink in, and this one definitely needs some work. I did really like that it was already kind of, you see, like that's just, I mean, granted I'm not wearing a band or have it clipped in, but like, it's so loose. That's ridiculous. Oh, that's ridiculous, you know? But besides that, the wig is really nice. If you had a bigger head than mine, I guess I would recommend it. But it's a big wig. It's not a wig you can just throw on real quick and do something with because it will fall off. And you do have to do a lot of work with the lace as well. Like I said, I've been very spoiled by Beauty Forever, so I haven't done any work to a lace in a while, and I'm always like, I kind of caught myself getting annoyed by how noticeable the lace is, and it's so big. That's insane to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Chat with me down below and let me know if you've ever bought the wig off of Amazon. And until next time, spread love, be kind, bye.